In this video, we'll cover some very important facts about website backups that will save you a lot of money and time. Our topic for today is what should I backup in my WordPress site? Creating a backup is a safeguard against losses caused by a broken or even a completely lost website. The important question to ask is this: if you were to lose your website, what would you want to get back? The customizations, the content, the comments, or something else? The answer is quite simple: everything, and that is what you should be backing up. To do this, first you need to understand the basic structure of your website. Each website has two parts: files and database. Files consist of three parts: code, uploads, and configurations, while the database stores all the content that you or your users add to your website, like posts, comments, etc. All this content in the database is stored in the form of tables. Your WordPress uploads folder stores all the image from your posts, and the configurations help connect all these files together with the database. Now that you understand the basic structure, let's talk about backups. Automatic backups of a whole site usually includes all the files and folders unless you have explicitly excluded a particular file in your settings. But in case you're taking a manual backup, you should always check that you have all the important WordPress folders shown here. If you want, you can pause and take a screenshot here. And displayed here are the important tables to keep in mind. Losing even one of these tables can be a big loss for you. Literally everything here is important for your website to function properly, and that's why we recommend backing up all of your website so that your backup website works just as well as the original one. Another plus point of backing up your entire site is that you can easily restore any particular section that gets corrupted for any reason. After all, there can be nothing more disappointing than when a website crashes and your backup can't restore it properly. As much as we emphasize taking a backup of your entire site, there can be some situations where you only require the database of your website, such as if you only want to export a specific type of information from your website, such as comments, user information, or data on orders received for marketing purposes, or to import it to a new site that you're building. However, if your purpose of making a backup is to have a safeguard that you can use to properly restore your site, then you should be careful while setting up backups, especially through plugins. You need to make sure that the plugin you use is taking a backup of your entire site, that is both the files and the tables, and not just the database backup. This is crucial to properly backup and restore your website later on. Okay, let's summarize our key takeaways quickly. We explored the basic structure of a site and understood that when choosing a backup plugin, you need to make sure it does four things. It takes a backup of your entire site and not just the database. It takes regular and automatic backups of your entire site, so you are always secure. It stores as many and as large backups as needed with no extra charges. It quickly restores your site to any web host easily with no extra charges. These requirements will help you choose the right backup plugin and save huge losses of revenue and reputation. Most importantly, this will save you from losing your site. I hope this video has been helpful. Trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'd strongly recommend checking out our other videos in this series to fully unlock the life-saving potential of backups for your business website. You can find the other videos by clicking on the link in description. If you have a business website and care about high performance, hit that subscribe button for more helpful content like this. Really, hit it. I'll wait. It just really motivates us to do more for you, okay? And it's free, so alright, that's it for now. Take care. I'll see you next time.